This week we're in one of the most enchanting corners of the south of France, the Var department, here in the Provence-Alpes Côte d'Azur region. An area known for its turquoise waters, pine-covered islands, sun-baked cliffs, and that unmistakable Mediterranean way of life. Slow, warm, and deeply connected to nature, from historic villages and rosé wine estates to wild coastal paths and quiet hidden beaches. The Var offers a more authentic, less crowded version of the French Riviera. And today, we're taking you somewhere even more exclusive. Welcome to Île du Levant, a protected island paradise floating off the coast of Hyères. Part wild forest, part rocky shoreline, and part artistic retreat, Île du Levant has remained blissfully untouched, a sanctuary where cars are rare, nature dominates, and the sea is present in every moment. This is a place for swimming before breakfast, kayaking at sunset, and falling asleep to the sound of cicadas and waves. And today, we're exploring a luxury sea view villa that captures the very best of this magical island. Perched on a landscaped 1,000 square meters hillside garden that gently cascades toward the sea, this fully renovated villa is one of the rare opportunities to own real estate on Île du Levant. It has been completely redesigned in 2024 to create a modern coastal hideaway, a home where light, nature, and pure tranquility take center stage. With 72 square meters of living space, multiple sun-soaked terraces, and sweeping views across the Port-Cros Marine Sanctuary, this is a property created for those who value privacy, nature, and absolute serenity. As you enter the upper level, you're met with an open concept living and dining space, drenched in natural light spilling in from oversized sea-facing windows. Everything here has been thoughtfully redesigned, clean lines, soft Mediterranean tones, and custom-built storage that blends seamlessly into the architecture. The kitchen features premium finishes and modern appliances, perfect for cooking after a swim or preparing a sunset meal to enjoy outdoors. This level also includes a sleek designer bathroom with a walk-in shower. And WC, one of the clever touches in this renovation is the bow window lounge, which transforms into a luxury guest sleeping area thanks to a discreet privacy curtain, perfect for hosting friends or last-minute visitors who fall in love with the view. A stone-lined staircase winds down through wild olive, lavender, rosemary, and pine, a gentle transition between the two living spaces. On the lower level, you'll find two tranquil, sea-facing bedrooms, both capturing uninterrupted views across the shimmering coastline. There's also an additional kitchen, ideal for guests or extended family stays, plus a second bathroom with shower and WC. This floor opens directly onto a private terrace, the perfect spot for long lunches, reading in the shade, or watching the sun melt into the sea at the end of the day. The garden surrounding the villa has been designed to feel natural and wild, truly part of the island landscape. The 1,000 square meters plot features mature pines, agave, yucca, lavender, rosemary, arbutus trees, and wild olive, all perfectly suited to the Mediterranean climate. Every terrace offers a different moment, from morning yoga with the sea breeze, to lunch surrounded by cicadas, to sunset cocktails as the sky shifts from gold to deep pink. And for those who love the water, this property offers direct access to kayaking, snorkeling, and swimming, a rare privilege on the island. Île du Levant is unlike anywhere else on the Côte d'Azur. It's part of the Port-Cros National Park Buffer Zone and sits within the Port-Cros Marine Sanctuary, an area known for dolphins, rare birds, and protected marine life. There are no big resorts, no mass tourism, just preserved natural beauty, artistic communities, and a deep respect for the environment. You're only a short boat ride from Hyères or Lavandou, and just 20 minutes by kayak from Port-Cros itself, one of France's most extraordinary national parks, for swimming, paddleboarding, exploring coves, or simply unwinding. It doesn't get better than this. This is an exceptionally rare opportunity. Île du Levant has strict building rules and very limited availability, which means properties here hold long-term value and are prized for their exclusivity. Whether you're searching for a wellness retreat, a creative escape, a secluded holiday home, or a unique investment, this villa offers something truly extraordinary, modern luxury in one of the most protected and breathtaking locations in France.